All right, history, welcome back. Monday, April 27th here. You guys just took an exam last Thursday where we finished off talking about how the Constitution kind of finally got put in place and how our government's working today. But we got to keep in mind that was just the plan. We actually have to put that plan into place. And the guy that they decided was the one that we wanted to actually make that plan happen was the man, the myth, the legend, George Washington. My personal favorite president. All right, he was kind of the man, in my opinion. They chose George Washington to kind of set it all up. They thought he was the man to do it. Everyone loved George Washington. They unanimously selected him to be the first president, meaning there was not one single person against George being in charge. But he had a pretty big challenge, all right? He had the plan for the government, but now he actually had to make it work, all right? He had the Congress set up, he had the House of Representatives and the Senate, but you got to keep in mind he had to then get everything else together. So he had to create the judicial branch, the Supreme Court. He had to figure out how does the presidency even work? What's my job in this whole thing? He establishes the cabinet, which is the group of guys around the president, or a group of people around the president, that basically he looks to for help and advice in certain areas. So he had to get this all set up, and he had no one to go off of. He is establishing what is called the precedent, all right? Sounds like president, not the same word, but the precedent means that whatever George Washington ends up doing with his presidency, presidents after him are going to kind of follow his lead. They're going to look back and say, hey, George Washington did this, I should probably do that. George Washington did not have an easy task ahead of him. He had a nation that was brand new. We were in a bunch of debt. Let's remember, we just won a war, but even after winning the war, we are pretty weak. Our army's now kind of worn out. It's smaller than it was before. All right, not as many people joining up in it, and we also owe a ton of countries a ton of money. All right, so keep that in mind. What I'd like you guys to do today is head on over to Edpuzzle. You're going to watch a video. The video is a little bit longer. It's around 14 minutes or so. So use today, use your Maroon Day tomorrow to finish it up. The video is going to go over a lot of key things of what happened in George Washington's presidency, all right? Answer the questions the best of your ability. Pay attention, all right? Remember, all of these things are now fair game for what's coming up on your eventual summative for the next unit here. So pay attention, try your hardest, all right? Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you learn something. And I hope you guys are all doing well. Remember, email me, message me on Schoology. We can FaceTime, face-to-face. If any of you need help, make sure to keep in contact with me, and I'll do my best I can to get you help as soon as I can, all right? Otherwise, you guys should have a great day. This shouldn't be too hard of an assignment today, but I hope that you guys finish it up quickly. And again, make sure you pay attention, do your best on it, all right? See you later.